Hey, welcome to SC Custom Designs. We're outside. It's the next day. This is probably the last part of the episode where we have received a job from a client who asked me if we could fix this chair. So essentially, we had a dial broken in here, broken, and broken inside here. So I had to hollow that out and put new dowels in, and I also sanded this part here, bringing it back to its original luster before staining and all this sort of thing. I think there was rubber glue in there. So we also glued up this back piece here again, and wouldn't you know, this morning I came out and I didn't notice yesterday, but this guy was loose too. You couldn't feel that being loose, but it definitely came loose. I saw 3 dowels in there. So we're now going to try to color match. This is interior wood oil-based stain, and I think this is it says it's a walnut. Now this color is going to be different than Minwax, so what I've noticed. And you know, it's interesting how each company making these sorts of things have different shades of the same color. So I remembered that that this color is probably a better color match for this unit. So that being said, there we go. So I think this will be nice. This will blend in there. We just have to go over to the poly shed to get some paper towel. If you've never watched my videos before, I'd ask that you subscribe to SC Custom Designs if you like what you're seeing. We always have a variety of things going on in the wood shop, and this is no exception, where we accepted this job to repair this this chair here. This chair here is, I'm being told, is about 60 years old, and it belongs to her grandmother, and I'm very glad to be able to fix this. Alright, so I'm going to be okay with that. Actually, I'm going to give it one more coat. In there, and we'll see how we go. Alright, again, I only have my camera that I use for the videoing. Yeah, that's looking better, my friends. Gotta fix that up. Okay. All right. Feeling better about that. All right. So before you say no to accepting such repairs to a unit, give it a thought, and you probably can handle that job. And you never know, it might turn into a thing where other folks will say, hey, I know somebody who is repairing old furniture. So let's not be confused with restoring this unit. All right, we'll repair it, try to make it look a little bit better than what it did, maybe a lot better, and there you go. It's a lot of fun to be able to take on such projects. Okay. All right. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. This will possibly be the last of what you'll see of this series. There you go. It's a beautiful day here, upstate New York. Thanks for tuning in. Again, if you like what you see, subscribe. We've got 360 plus and growing videos of all subjects, all sorts of subjects. So I would appreciate it if you just do a little bit of a search in my channel and see if I didn't cover the subject. And let's put you outside looking in. Okay, we may have covered the subject, my friends. And if we haven't, well, let me know. And if you got questions, please leave comments. I want to thank we just got another new subscriber. We're now at 209 subscribers, so we're pretty happy about that. Thank you, new subscriber. Thanks for watching SE Custom Designs, where we enjoy woodworking. We will do at least one new video a week. I've got them stacked up in queue, just ready to pop them on live on YouTube. So thanks, guys. Have a great day.